When I first unboxed Steam Iron, everything was neatly packed and easy to understand right out of the box. It comes with a large 14-ounce water tank already attached, and the ceramic sole plate looked smooth and sturdy right away. It feels solid in hand, not too heavy but substantial enough to do the job right. Setting it up was quick. I filled the water tank, plugged it in, and within seconds it started heating up. The temperature control dial is clearly marked for different fabrics, and the steam settings are adjustable depending on how much wrinkle power you need. There's also a burst of steam button for those tougher creases, plus a vertical steam option if you want to freshen up hanging clothes or curtains. In terms of performance, it's been great. The non-stick ceramic sole plate glides effortlessly over cotton, linen, even more delicate pieces without pulling or sticking. The burst of steam is powerful and helps flatten stubborn wrinkles in just a few passes. I really appreciate the three-way auto shut-off, which adds peace of mind, and the self-cleaning function keeps the steam vents clear and running smoothly. Overall, whether I'm doing a quick touch-up or working through a full laundry day, this iron has made the process faster and smoother. It's definitely become a go-to tool in my home.